Hold it to the SUV. From city lights to mountain skies, there's a road where freedom never dies. Built for the journey, ready to prove this is the spirit. The ode to the SUV. Strong through the sunrise, steady through the storm. Confidence is where these legends are born. Built for tomorrow with roots running deep. A promise to conquer every trail we keep. From winding highways to rugged terrain, every mile is calling out your name. Adventure waits beyond the next bend, with a trusted companion until the very end. When the pavement disappears from view, that's when these legends come alive for you. No destination ever feels too far. The journey itself is who we are. Raise your eyes to the endless blue. There's no road too tough for an SUV. Through the mountains, forests, rivers wide, strength and freedom riding side by side. Built for families, dreamers, hearts that roam, turning every distant place into home. Every adventure begins with a choice. Follow the road, follow your voice. Ready for work, ready for play, built to handle whatever comes your way. Packed with purpose, comfort and pride, room for every memory inside. Rain or sunshine, gravel or snow, where others hesitate, these legends go. Generation after generation still inspire, fueled by determination and the urge to climb higher. Every horizon tells a brand new story. Every challenge leads to something greater. Take the wheel and leave your doubts behind. The next great adventure is yours to raise your eyes to the endless blue. There's no road too tough for an SUV. Through the mountains, forests, rivers wide, strength and freedom riding side by side. Built for families, dreamers, hearts that roam, turning every distant place into home. Every adventure begins with a choice. Follow the road, follow your voice. It's more than getting from here to there. It's confidence carrying everywhere. A symbol of courage, capability and pride. Ready for every chapter, still waiting outside. Every sunrise brings another chance to explore. Every mile reveals a little more. The road keeps calling, the story goes on. Driven by possibility, from dusk until dawn. Raise your eyes to the endless blue. There's no road too tough for an SUV. Across the valleys, over every climb, built to stand the test of time. For every family, every dream pursued, every path becomes a new breakthrough. Where freedom lives and memories stay. The spirit of the SUV leads the way. Beyond the map, beyond what's known, every road becomes your own. Adventure begins the moment you believe. Forever driven, an ode to the SUV.